Hi everybody, today I want to show you my 5-minute routine for shoulder pain. I usually get a lot of complaints from my patients saying they don't have enough time to do the stretches, they don't have 45 minutes or an hour to do it every day. So today I'm showing you a couple of stretches, you can do them in 5 minutes. Before we start the exercises, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any suggestions or any questions, and also press the notification bell. The first exercise is a warm-up exercise. So we have to warm up a bit the shoulders before we start the stretching. So from sitting, you can do it from sitting in a chair or even from standing is fine. We can do it both ways. Keep the back straight, and now we'll have to rotate the shoulders forward slowly. So we lift them up and move them forward. Just to warm up with the shoulders, you can do 10-15 times forward, and then we change the direction, so it's a circle movement. Again, 15-20 times backward, just to feel that the muscles are working, warming up with the shoulders. After we've done this, we bend the elbow 90 degrees, and from here we squeeze the shoulder blades together. So we don't push with the elbows, just squeeze a little bit, don't squeeze too hard, we don't hold it there. It's a constant movement. Nice, perfect. Couple of times again, 10-15 times should help to warm up with the shoulder blades. So we prepare the body before we start the stretching. Good. So we finish the warm up, now we start with the stretching. The first stretch is a stretch for the shoulder, for the posterior part of the shoulder. So you have to lift your arm up 90 degrees. With the other hand, you pull it across, and you should feel a pull here on these muscles. I suggest don't pull it too hard because you might feel a pinch or discomfort on the top of the shoulder. So gently as much as you can until you feel a nice stretch, a nice pull. Stay there 10-15 seconds. You can breathe in, breathe out, relax your body, and then you relax. You do the same thing with the other hand, up 90 degrees, pull it across, and again hold it there. Feel the stretch at the back part of the shoulder, and more on the deltoid muscles. Hold it there. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. You can even bend the elbow. So some people do it like this, bend the elbow and pull it on top of the other shoulder, and with the hand you just pull it from the elbow here, and you just relax it. So it works both ways. You hold it there 10-15 seconds and relax. You can do it twice or 3 times, it's fine. So lift it up, pull it across. If you want to bend the elbow, hold it there. Just relax the arm, try to relax it, drop it down as much as you can, and you need to feel a nice pull, a nice stretch on the deltoid muscles or on the posterior shoulder joint. And relax. So you've done this stretch. The next one is to stretch the tricep muscle. So it's more for the inferior part of the joint. So from here again, from sitting back straight, we bend the elbow like this, and you lift it up as much as you can. With the other hand, we give it a little bit of a push backward until you feel a nice stretch, a nice pull. So you should feel a pull on the tricep muscles, so on these muscles here, but you don't push it too hard. You should feel comfortable, should feel nice. The hand is relaxed, and you just hold it there. Again, 10-15 seconds until you feel a nice stretch. Just relax your arm, and then down. So we lift the arm up, and with the other hand, we help it a little bit. We give it a push backwards, relax the arm, hang it there. Hold it there, keep breathing, 10-15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you should feel a nice stretch, nice pull on the tricep muscle. You can do the same thing for the other hand. So hand up, pull it, give it a push, hold it there, breathe in, breathe out, 10-15 seconds, and you relax. So this was the second stretch. The third one is to stretch the rotator cuff muscles. So what we have to do, again, 90 degrees, bend it like this. With the other hand, this is a bit more complicated one. So you hold like this on the hand, and from here you just pull it outside, and you should feel a pull, a stretch on the shoulder. You relax the arm there, you hold there again 10-15 seconds. Just stay there, nice and relaxed, and come back other side as well. So come behind your hand, grab the palm or the thumb, and then you pull it outside. Stay there a couple of seconds, breathe in, breathe out, and relax. If you can't reach like this, you can just do it with the other hand. You just push it outside and hold it, and here as well, push it outside and hold it. And you should feel the pull, the stretch around the shoulder. For the fourth exercise, is a chest stretch, so we need to open a bit the chest as well. So what I suggest is to clasp your hands like this, and then you put them together, so you clasp them together behind your back, and from here we push them away and down, and push your chest forward, look straight, breathe in, breathe out, and you should feel the stretch on the chest muscle, on the pecs. And you hold it there again, 10-15 seconds, breathe in and breathe out, and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you relax. And you can repeat again one more time. So hands together, clasp them together behind you, and then push them down and away, and open up your chest. Breathe in and relax, and stay there 10-15 seconds. Perfect. So we've done the stretch for the chest as well. Now we will have to stretch the upper fibers of trapezius. So the last exercise is to stretch a little bit the neck, because all these muscles around the neck are connected on the shoulder and the shoulder blade as well. So what we have to do, back straight, one hand behind you and down. So try to keep the shoulder down, look straight, and now we will have to bend to the side, so ear to shoulder to the side. With the other hand, a little bit of overpressure until you feel a nice stretch coming from the base of the head going down to the shoulder. Stay there, don't pull it too hard. If you feel any burning sensation or severe pain, means that it's too much, so you can come off a bit of a pressure. Should feel nice, should feel comfortable, a nice stretch. Stay there again, 10-15 seconds, keep breathing, relax your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back. Same thing on the other side, so one hand behind you, then drop the shoulder, so keep the shoulder down, ear to shoulder on the opposite side, with the hand, a bit of overpressure, until you feel a nice stretch coming from the base of the head, going down to the shoulder. Pull it there, relax, don't pull it too hard again, should feel nice and comfortable. 15 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out, and after 15 seconds, you're back and relax. So here are the stretches for the shoulder and a little bit on the neck as well. Do this routine, it takes only 5 minutes, so you don't have to spend too much time, and I'm sure that you will be able to release some tension around the neck and the shoulders. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can also share with a family member or with a friend. It might help to release some tension around the neck and the shoulder. If you do have any suggestions or any questions, leave me a comment. And don't forget to press the notification bell as well. And I will see you next time.